Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. My name is Marie, and I'm thrilled to have you guys join us today for our webinar. Today's webinar is all about email designs, and we are going to dive deep into this topic because it's very crucial for every e-commerce business owner. And it's also all about how to create responsive campaigns. So in a world where our smartphones are practically an extension of ourselves, right? Like I literally have my phone right here. You can see it. There we go. Ensuring that your emails are mobile friendly is one of the ways that can really create a difference. So how do we actually do this? And of course, it's not just about being mobile friendly, of course. There's also the copywriting, right? So let's jump right into creating email design for mobile. Now, you might be wondering, why is mobile first design such a big deal? Well, think about it, guys. We used to mainly browse the web on desktop computers, but right now times have changed, and our trusty smartphones are our go-to companions for everything from checking emails to shopping online. So, mobile first design is all about creating content that looks good and great and works perfectly on those tiny screens that we love so much. And let's talk about numbers. And of course, you know me, I'm always into the stats girl. Did you know that around half of all emails are opened on mobile devices? That's right. And if your emails aren't optimized, you can be missing out on higher open rates, better conversions, and more engaged customers. Think about it, guys. Emails that are a breeze to read and easy to digest and interact with are more likely to lead to sales. It's all about giving your customers a seamless experience no matter where they open your emails. And of course, the heart of the matter. When it comes to creating email designs that shine on mobile devices, there are a few key best practices to keep in mind. So let's delve deeper into each of these practices to ensure that your emails not only look great, but also deliver a fantastic user experience. Number one, simple and skimmable layouts. Imagine scrolling through an email on your phone trying to make sense of this cluttered mess. Not the best experience, right? And that's why simplicity is your best friend. Opt for a single column layout. It's easy to navigate on smaller screens and ensures your content flows smoothly. And when crafting your email copy, think short and sweet. Mobile users have limited attention spans, so get to the point quickly. Use headers and bullet points to break down your content and make it easy to scan. If your email is lengthy, consider using a modular structure to keep it organized and user friendly. Next, font sizes and typography. Have you ever squinted at tiny text on your phone screen? Yeah, right? Not that fun. So make sure your fonts are legible by using a minimum font size of 14 points for body text and at least 22 points for headlines. These are just a little bit of ISO standards. And choose fonts that are simple and easily readable on smaller screens. Consistency in font choices will also give your email a polished look. Next is color. Colors can add flair to your design, but it's important not to go overboard. Stick to a limited color palette that aligns with your brand. Too many colors can distract you from your message and make your email look messy. Also, consider color contrast for accessibility. Ensure that the text is easy to read against the background. And images, making sure that they are optimized. Images are a fantastic way to add visual interest, but they can also slow down loading times if they're not optimized. So use high quality images, but ensure that they're appropriately compressed to avoid long loading times. Also, consider using responsive images that adjust to different screen sizes, maintaining clarity without taking up excessive bandwidth. Our next strategy is to use finger-friendly call to actions. Your CTAs or calls to action is the golden ticket to conversion. And on mobile, it's all about making those buttons first easy to know where they are, and second, making sure that they're easy to tap. For Our rule of thumb, aim for a minimum button size of 44 by 44 pixels to ensure that even those with less precise tapping can engage with your CTAs. And of course, use a contrasting color that stands out and keep the text concise and action oriented. So, next strategy is white space. If you've heard about the phrase less is more, this is basically it. It's especially true for mobile email design. White space, or we also call it negative space, is the empty area around design elements. It not only gives your email a clean, organized look, but also helps direct the reader's attention to what matters most, your content and CTAs. And the next strategy is, of course, to test your emails. Here is a secret, or not so secret, guys, depends. No one gets it right in the first time. That's where A/B testing comes in. Experiment with different subject lines, CTAs, button colors, and content lengths to see what resonates best with your audience. By continuously testing and refining, you'll uncover the winning formula for engagement and conversions. So there you have it. These best practices can transform your mobile email design from good to exceptional. And remember, the goal is to create emails that your recipients eagerly open and engage with and take action on all from the comfort of their smartphones. But that's a lot of things to take into account. But there's actually an easier way, and that's Debutify. So let's talk about how Debutify can be your partner in mobile responsive email design. Our Debutify theme isn't just about making your online store look good. There's so much more than that. It's also about optimizing your website and your emails for mobile devices. Fast loading pages, smooth design, and conversion triggers. These are just ingredients to a fantastic mobile experience for your customers. And if you're looking to gather reviews and build trust, the Debutify Reviews have got you covered. With customizable widgets and automated review requests, you'll have a powerful tool and emails to engage your customers and build a loyal base. So, that's it for this short webinar, and I hope you found these insights helpful for your e-commerce journey, guys. Remember, it's all about creating emails that your customers love to open and engage with on their smartphones. But wait, guys, that's more because Debutify has a lineup of other webinars that can help you thrive in the world of e-commerce. From email marketing, like these ones, to optimizing your store, to product photography, to UGC, to content creation, to whole Instagram, basically on Instagram selling, to website selling. We have all of that for you. So go check it out after this. And here's also the exciting part. You could try out the Debutify theme for 14 days free and the Debutify reviews free for 30 days. So why not give it a shot and try it out and see how it actually transforms your sales. Thank you all for joining today's webinar, and I can't wait to see your mobile optimized emails in action. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out via email or our contact details. Happy optimizing, and I'll see you guys on our next webinar. Bye. Bye, everyone.